basically what happens when you do the whole thing. And it's not easy, but it's very easy. Yeah, it's easy, right? Right now, AI can design experiments faster than any lab can run them. The bottleneck isn't intelligence anymore, it's physical execution. Real-world experiments generating data that we can trust. I spent 10 years scaling hardware, software, and operations globally. What I learned is that at scale, it's not enough to say what should happen. You have to enforce the execution of what does happen. And that's what GREENBOX does for science.
I finished my master's in robotics and automation, and I've been spending 7 years in this industry. I developed automated drug dispensing systems, minimally invasive surgical robots, and my most recent work was PCR diagnostic platform, which include a lot of microfluidic actuation and precise temperature controlled environment. Yeah, all of these were highly precise closed loop systems, and they had one thing in common, which was even if one of the parameters is not captured during execution, things could go wrong and it could go really bad.
My PhD was on rule-governed system verification, proving that a physical system actually did what it was told. At Argo AI, I built tooling to evaluate autonomous vehicle compliance across millions of miles. GREENBOX runs on that same foundation. Every physical action governed on runtime. Every correction logged and cryptographically signed. Nothing gets through unverified.
Coming from the background of robotics and hardware, I've never seen hardware move this fast. The reason for that is because of our team's conviction and focus in this direction.
GREENBOX is protocol-governed infrastructure for physical experimentation, controlled environment, protocol-governed execution, and certified data outputs, ready for AI. More than 1,000 experiments, over 60 species, over 99% biological success rate, over 25 MOUs for commercial applications, and partnerships with leading universities as co-PIs and core infrastructure across grant submissions for DOE, USDA, NASA, and more. 70% of scientists can't replicate experiments in their own field. The US loses over $28 billion a year to irreproducible research. The entry market is $13 billion in ag biotech R&D. Right now, there's no verified execution in the field. Then it's $500 billion for all physical systems that require AI-ready data.
The platform generalizes to autonomous labs, defense, space, and manufacturing, because all the physical systems need data during execution, which they don't have yet.
And you can't retrofit this architecture onto legacy systems. It has to be built in from the start.
AI has made thinking cheap. The hard part is now physical execution. We're building the infrastructure that makes discovery something you can prove.